Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a common makeup concern that many of us face, avoiding that dreaded cakey look. We all want our makeup to look flawless, natural, and weightless, so I've gathered some fantastic tips and tricks to help you achieve just that. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a pro, these techniques will revolutionize your makeup routine. So let's jump right in. In this segment of the video, I'll be talking about a sunscreen. Products that come with chemicals cause harm, and we all don't want that. Natural products should definitely be our first choice. Here's new Ayuga Kumkumadi Radiant Sunscreen with SPF 50. Going back to the roots, this product has natural actives found in natural ingredients like saffron, lotus, Kumkumadi oil. This has PA+++ protection and gives natural broad spectrum protection from harmful UVA, UVB rays. My skin looks bright and dewy without a hint of white cast and makes it look radiant. You can skip moisturizer after using this sunscreen. This Ayurvedic sunscreen is cruelty-free and suitable for all skin types. It's priced at 449 rupees only. These products are available on Ayuga.in and Amazon, Nykaa, and Flipkart. You can use my coupon code SUSH2023 for a 20% discount on Ayuga.in and check out all the links in the description box. Okay, so now let's get back to the video. So the first thing is hydrate and prep your skin. Key to avoiding cakey makeup starts with proper skincare. So I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize 8-in-1 Primer Essence. And I'm just gonna spray it all over my face just to give it a boost of hydration. So the next thing is hydrate your skin by using a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. This step helps create a smooth canvas and prevents makeup from clinging to dry patches. So I'm gonna use the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream because this cream works like magic on my skin. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. It hydrates my skin beautifully. Now that I've used the moisturizer, my skin is all hydrated and it just feels very smooth and very ready for makeup. Next, very important step is not to forget to apply a hydrating primer to further smoothen the skin's texture and extend the longevity of your makeup. So I'm just going to use this K-Beauty hydrating primer and just blend it really nicely using my fingers. Also, before you start all this step, a very important step is to exfoliate. You should exfoliate your skin at least once a week. So make sure that your skin is very well exfoliated before you even start with this skin prep. Now my skin looks all beautiful and glowy, and now we're ready for makeup. The next important step is to choose the right foundation. And when it comes to foundation, choose the right formula and shade. It is very crucial. Opt for a lightweight buildable foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Avoid heavy full coverage formulas that can easily result in cakey appearance. Instead, go for a sheer to medium coverage foundation and build it up in thin layers as you need. You can also mix your foundation with your moisturizer for that lightweight coverage look. For me, I've noticed that cream foundations and cream formulas, they work best for me. So I'm going to use the Nykaa SKINgenius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. This foundation really works for me, and this is all the amount that I'm taking. If I need more, I'm going to use more later. So I'm just going to take it and dot it all over my face. Another very important step is to use a damp beauty sponge. So when applying foundation, consider using a damp beauty sponge instead of a brush or fingers. The dampness helps shear out the product and gives a more natural airbrushed finish. So you just have to gently press and bounce the sponge onto the skin, ensuring even coverage without cakiness. And then prep and blend your base to achieve a seamless finish, and take time to properly prep and blend your foundation. Use the damp sponge to apply and blend the product into your skin, and focus on areas where you need more coverage, and then blend outward for that natural airbrushed effect. Always remember, less is more, and gradual layering is the key to avoid cakey makeup. Next step is to opt for creamy concealers. So to avoid emphasizing dry patches or fine lines, choose creamy concealers over thicker, drier formulas. Creamy concealers blend effortlessly into the skin and provide a more natural, radiant finish. So today I'm going to use the Illegal Pro Conceal HD Concealer. So tap the concealer onto the areas that need coverage and blend it out with the sponge, or you can also use a small brush. A damp sponge will very easily blend the product into your skin and will just create a very flawless coverage a very airbrushed look. What I do is I very lightly just dab onto the areas and blend it very, very gently. Just don't be too rough with your skin and don't pull or push your skin, because if you pull or push your skin, the product is just gonna go everywhere and not set well. So the key is to always dab the product into the skin. So the next important thing is set the powder strategically. So the powder I'm going to be using is from K-Beauty. It is the loose powder in the shade Banana. So setting your makeup with powder is essential for longevity, but it's crucial to do it strategically to avoid a heavy, cakey look. Instead of applying powder all over your face, concentrate on areas prone to oiliness or where makeup tends to crease, such as your T-zone or your under eye area. So when setting your makeup with powder, use a damp sponge instead of a fluffy brush. What the damp sponge will do is it presses the powder into the skin, creating a smooth, long-lasting finish. Now what we're going to do is we're going to gently press onto the areas where we applied the powder, allowing it to stick and set without looking cakey. Don't apply the powder all over your face, especially to areas where you don't need it. This will avoid the makeup looking cakey. Next important step is to use cream products wisely. Cream products can provide a more natural and dewy finish, but they require some finesse to avoid a cakey appearance. When using cream blushes, bronzers, or highlighters, remember to apply them sparingly and blend them seamlessly into your foundation. Use your fingers or a damp sponge to tap and blend the creams for a seamless, natural-looking flush of color. Last step is to mist and refresh throughout the day. To maintain a fresh, non-cakey look throughout the day, incorporate a makeup setting spray into your routine. So the makeup setting spray I'm using is the MAC Prep and Prime. It's the Fix Plus. So a few spritzes of a hydrating setting spray will not only set your makeup, but also help meld the layers together for a more natural finish. Don't forget to carry the spray with you for quick touch-ups and to refresh your makeup throughout the day. Okay guys, there you have it. These tips and tricks will help you achieve a flawless, non-cakey makeup look that lasts all day. Remember, it's all about hydrating the skin, choosing the right products, and blending strategically. I hope you found these hacks helpful and you'll incorporate them in your routine. If you have any other tips or tricks, please share them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.